Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of underbed storage solutions. Focusing on what could possibly be the best option out there, the Amazon Basics Underbed Fabric Zipper Storage Container Bags. These bags are designed to maximize your storage space while keeping your items safe and easily accessible. Let's explore why these might just be the perfect fit for your home. First off, let's talk about the design and functionality of these storage bags. They come in a convenient 2-pack, each measuring 18 by 42 by 6 inches, which makes them ideal for storing a variety of items such as seasonal clothing, blankets, linens, and more. The clear vinyl top allows you to quickly identify what's inside without the need to unzip, which is a great time saver. One of the standout features of these bags is their flat loop handles, which make them easy to slide in and out from under your bed. This portability is enhanced by the lightweight fabric construction, which also allows the bags to be folded flat when not in use, saving you precious space. Constructed from durable vinyl, these bags are designed to protect your items from dust and moisture, ensuring that your belongings stay clean and well preserved. Despite their robust build, they are surprisingly lightweight, which is a bonus when you're maneuvering them into tight spaces. Compared to other underbed storage solutions, like rigid plastic containers or alternative fabric bags, the Amazon Basics bags stand out for their combination of durability, ease of use, and affordability. They strike a balance between protection and accessibility that many find perfect for their needs. Let me show you how easy it is to use these bags. Demo. As you can see, they slide effortlessly under the bed, and the zipper closure ensures everything stays securely in place. Whether you're storing bulky winter clothes or sentimental keepsakes, these bags offer a practical solution. In conclusion, if you're looking to optimize your underbed storage space with a reliable and user-friendly solution, TTHE Amazon Basics Underbed Fabric Zipper Storage Container Bags are hard to beat. Their thoughtful design, durable build, and positive customer feedback make them a top contender in the market. If you're interested in upgrading your storage game, I've left a link in the description where you can check out these bags for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.